Hey y'all, I'm Vanessa. Welcome to my channel. We are doing a review of the Pacifica Alight Clean Foundation. This brand is 100% vegan, cruelty-free. It says oil-free, anti-shine, and satin finish. I have it on my skin today. I know we're looking super duper glam today, but I'm feeling it. I like it. I really like it. I'm sick, and this makes me feel beautiful. So if you guys want to see how this works, the coverage, if I like it, then let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so my face is freshly washed and I just put on my hyaluronic acid serum and some of the First Aid Beauty coconut smoothing primer. So that's why my skin looks a little bit glowy. I don't really consider it a primer. It's more of a moisturizer in my opinion. I never put an actual primer on because you don't know how the foundation is going to work with the primers. So I have this in the shade 27WM. It's a warm medium, but it's supposed to have an olive undertone. And let's go ahead and start applying. I've got some here on a palette, and I'm actually going to use my sponge. Now this does have a little bit of a scent. Oh, that was too much. And I'm using a dry EcoTool sponge to apply it. Let me get this smoothed out all over the face here. And it's blending out beautifully. Trying to see what our coverage is here. And I'm using the sponge dry to get more coverage because I don't want a wet sponge to take too much of the coverage away for us. I think I put way too much out on the palette. I put 2 pumps. So I definitely think I put too much. But you can see it is definitely smoothing out really nicely. And I'm on the sponge kick right now. I kind of go back and forth between sponges and brushes. And I'm so sorry about my voice. I know it is still so bad. I have been so sick. So just please bear with me. I want to get these videos out. There's so many things that I'm curious about. And I'm finally feeling well enough to do videos. So I definitely want to get them out. So with one layer, I would say we have a good solid medium coverage. But you know we're going to build that up. Let's get real. But it's covering my redness nicely. And one of the main claims on this is it's not going to exaggerate pores. So once we get everything on, we will look at that. So if you have a lot of texture, this could be a really good option for you. Here is what we are looking like. It's very glowy. It could be where I have that moisturizer underneath, but I always put a good bit of moisturizer on. We're going to give it a bit and see if it sets it all, but I think it looks absolutely beautiful right now. And it covered my redness really well. Like shockingly well. So I'm gonna let this set a bit, see if it does, and finish everything up, and we'll be right back. Okay guys, this is what we were looking like with concealer and powder on. I did have to powder this. It didn't set much. It set a little bit, but it was still tacky, really glowy. So I powdered it with a little bit of the e.l.f. HD Luminance powder because I wanted that glow still there. So this is what we are looking like. So I'm going to go finish the rest of my face and we'll be right back. Okay guys, so we got pretty dang glam. I'm doing another review and tutorial with the LA Splash palette that I got. So we got glam, and that video will be up probably after this one, but this is what the foundation's looking like with a full face. It looks beautiful, you guys. Like, I am loving my makeup today. I absolutely love it. So I'll do a check-in a little later, and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, we are back with our third check-in, and I want to say I absolutely love this bottle. It is a beautiful glass and it's tall. Like, let me grab this one. Like, this is the L'Oreal foundation. I just think this is really sleek and beautiful. So we are at the 6-hour mark and it has not budged. Like, I clearly reapplied my lipstick, but the whole face is looking great. I mean, to be honest, the foundation has not broken apart. It's not done anything weird. It just looks beautiful. Pores look really, really good. I wouldn't say that it necessarily hid my pores, but it didn't accentuate them. But I don't have like a terrible pore problem anyway, but my fine lines and wrinkles look really good. So I will say I'm loving this foundation. I will update you guys in the description box if the 8 to 10 hour mark it does start to break down or do anything weird. I've had such a hit with my makeup today, like, and being sick. Yes, like, I absolutely love this look. There's 30 colors in this foundation and it is $16. And like I said, I think it does build up beautifully. It covered my redness beautifully. It has really good clean ingredients in it. They are vegan and cruelty free. I am definitely going to try more from this brand because of this. Like, I absolutely love this foundation. I did have to set it. You guys seen that. But I'm fine with that. I'm totally fine with setting it. And I think it looks gorgeous. Like, this is going up there for me. It is not heavy or cakey in the slightest. Like, this, the L'Oreal foundation has become one of my favorites. Like, it's top 2. And this may be bumping up on this because I love the finish. It just looks so dewy and so beautiful. Even when you set it, it just, oh, it doesn't look like you have a crap load of foundation on, and I love it. So I definitely recommend this, you guys. If you have oily skin, you're gonna have to set the crap out of this, where it is more of that dewy satin finish, but I would still give it a try. I mean, the ingredients are great. Normal to dry skin, you're good to go with this. Like I said, I got this at Ulta and it was 16 bucks. Go pick it up. Alright guys, I hope you're having a great day, and I hope you subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.